Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rich tapestry of Bengal through the lens of Dola Mitra's The Bengal Book. This book offers a profound exploration of Bengal's history, culture, politics, and economy. Let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Bengal's history is marked by a series of influential events and notable figures, from the ancient Mauryan and Gupta empires to the rise of the Bengal Sultanate. Each era has contributed to the region's unique identity. Mitra's book delves into these periods, shedding light on the socio-political and economic factors that shaped Bengal's evolution. The colonial era brought significant changes to Bengal. British rule saw the emergence of a new socio-political landscape, with the Bengal Renaissance fostering cultural and intellectual growth. The struggle for independence was marked by pivotal events such as the Bengal famine and the contributions of freedom fighters like Subhas Chandra Bose. Mitra captures these turbulent times with vivid detail and personal anecdotes. The cultural heritage of Bengal is a source of immense pride. From the elaborate Durga Puja celebrations to the soul-stirring Rabindra Sangeet, Bengal's cultural expressions are diverse and vibrant. The book highlights the contributions of literary giants like Rabindranath Tagore and contemporary artists, making it a rich cultural tapestry. Bengal's political landscape has been dynamic and often contentious. Dola Mitra provides an in-depth analysis of the region's political shifts, from the partition of Bengal in 1947 to the rise of political parties and movements. The book also explores the impact of these changes on Bengal's socio-economic development. Bengal's economic journey has been one of transformation and resilience. The book discusses major economic developments, from the rise of the jute industry to the challenges of modernization. Mitra also examines the impact of globalization and the region's potential for future growth. What sets the Bengal book apart are the personal stories and insights from the author. Dola Mitra's unique perspective and engaging narrative bring the region's history, culture, and politics to life. Through her eyes, we experience the everyday realities and aspirations of Bengal's people. The Bengal book offers a captivating journey through the heart of Bengal. If you enjoyed this summary, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspect of Bengal fascinates you the most? Let's discuss.